Hey, my name is Cristobal Mondragon. You might know me from YouTube, you might know me from my cleaning course, or you might not know me at all. But I've scaled my cleaning business successfully to 7 figures, and I want to help you too. So I've created a couple courses in the fundamentals, like how to set up your business profile on Google and Yelp, and how to hire to do this and that. But let's be honest, that's not what you want. You want help growing your cleaning business. And so my business partner Dalton and I listened and decided to start a coaching program. Now, this coaching program is in beta right now, and because of this, we're gonna cap it at only 10 people. And we also gonna accept only one person per metro area to avoid competing with ourselves. We know we have a lot of value to offer, and we want to offer that value to you. So what we decided to do is pay attention. This is very important. Unlike any other coaching program, 7-figure cleaning is a done with you process, so we'll be there with you every step of the way. We're gonna be helping you set up a converting website and optimizing all your profiles. On top of that, we're gonna help you recruit A players and also recruit a virtual assistant to help you run your business. We're also gonna be implementing our killer ad strategies that we currently use to run our cleaning business. These strategies keep our phone ringing day in and day out and allows us to book job after job after job. You'll notice after time, you'll start building recurring revenue and you're off to the races to the 10K, 20K, 30K per month and beyond. Jump on a call with me and let's find out if this program is a good fit for you. I'm not gonna give you a hard sales pitch because the purpose of this call is to find out whether I can help you or not. If you're dedicated to launching and scaling your cleaning business, click the link below to learn more about this program. I promise you, you won't regret it. I look forward to be speaking with you.